In this video, I will show you how to create a Pictory AI account. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on the official website for Pictory. So what you want to do first is open up an internet browser and come across to pictory.ai. From the home page, what you can do is either click onto the free trial button up here or just click the get started for free button down here. Now what you can do, you can create an account from scratch, or you can just go ahead and continue with a Google account. So what you want to do is go ahead and choose how to create your account. In this tutorial, I'm just going to create one from scratch. So once you've gone ahead and filled in the form, all you want to do is click the purple continue button at the bottom. And next, what's going to happen is that Pictory is going to ask you a few questions. Now, this may need to help customize your experience. So what you want to do is go through and answer these questions. So I'm just going to go ahead and answer these. So as you can see, you want to choose the option and click the next button underneath each one. Once that's done, click the submit and sign up button. And what this is going to do is take you to the welcome screen. So what you can do, you can click onto any of these to get a brief overview and a quick tutorial on how to do that. So if you want to do like script a video, edit a video, and so on and so forth. Or what you can do alternatively is just come ahead and close this window and go ahead and use the tool straight away. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.